Hello beauty accessorizers and friends, Julia here from Accessorize Your Life. How are you doing? Well guys, I have a fun one for you today. I imagine that a lot of people are about to start their getaway. They're going to visit family and friends for the holidays, or they're just going to simply dash out of town for an intimate getaway where they don't have to worry about the hustle and bustle of cooking and entertaining. Well, if that is you, you may be thinking, what am I going to pack as far as toiletries? And what am I going to pack them in? That's if you don't have that already taken care of. Well, I'm not going anywhere. I will be home entertaining. So I'm not as fortunate as you to get away. But there's fun in being home and being with family too. But if I was going away, I would pull out my MZ Wallace toiletry bag. It's actually a cosmetic bag. That's what it is marketed as, but I use it as my toiletry bag because it's so roomy. It has great compartments, it's lightweight, and I know what I put in it stays where I put it. So this is what it looks like. I have it in buff and caramel. It's color blocked. The buff is on the top and the caramel is on the bottom. So it's the large Zoey Cosmetic bag. Now, like I said, it's spacious, it's beautiful, it's soft. I'm loving it. Whew, this was my last purchase, I believe, from MZ Wallace. And they're opening up a flagship store in the DMV this weekend. I'm trying my best to stay far away. But there is one little thing I'd love to have. But anyway, like I said, it's spacious because it measures in length 9.8 inches from here to here. In width, it measures 6.7 inches. And in height, up to down, 8 inches. So it can hold a lot. It has gold tone hardware with a chunky plastic zipper. And let's take a look at the hardware. First of all, you see that sparkling gold MZ Wallace logo right there. You see the pull tab in gold, but with that caramel leather pull tab with a bit of gold there on the decal. The zipper is so easy to get into. It runs like butter. Now on the bottom, there is a leather patch and a diamond shape that says MZ Wallace, New York. Those patches I have found on all of my bags from MZ Wallace. This material I believe is nylon and it's stitched like a quilt pattern in a diamond. Let's get inside this bag. I have packed it for a fall trip. Before it was packed for my summer trip to the beach, and I found my Coach jewelry box inside, and it has in it some mermaid earrings, so that's how I know it's from that time, some seashell earrings, and so on. So that was the last time I used this bag. And also I pulled out some Tree Hut Ocean Glow body scrub that's hydrating, some Caress soap I pulled out, and I pulled out this nail polish that's in a sea glass color, and a shaver, a little miniature one, some Allegora from Guerlain body lotion, and a host of other things that I won't be putting back in. Oh yeah, the fragrances. I had Kayali in, what fragrance was that? I think it's called Utopia. And then I had Chris Collins in my bag, and this one was Lost in Paradise. So I won't be taking those if I were going away in the fall. Those would stay behind. So I've changed them out and put something more appropriate for this time of the year inside my bag. But before we get into the bag, I like to share with you what's on my eyes and face. Basically on my face, I have Fashion Fair. I love their cream to powder foundation. It's just so easy to use. And that's what's my base for my foundation. On my lips, I have Fashion Fair. I went over with the ganache, which is a brown shade, and topped it with Bordeaux, which is a reddish shade, just to kind of give me almost a berry tone if it hasn't washed off yet. On my eyes, you can't miss the eyes, right? I have From the Roots. This is from DD Signature, and let me go over the colors that I used today. I've been using this palette quite a bit lately, right? So I ventured into the bottom row, all except for this one here, because I believe it shifts blue. But I went in with this deep color here, this one here, and then topped it with this, and also used this under the brows. So that gave me this gorgeous look with my half lashes. Alrighty guys, now we're ready to get into the good stuff. Into my large Zoey Cosmetic bag that I'm using as a toiletry bag. All my toiletries are in here that I would need for a few days away. Like a week would be nice. Ideal, right? Okay, we talked about fragrances. I swatched out those fragrances there for this. My Dior Hypnotic little miniature would go in my bag, along with the newly acquired little Black Opium from YSL. That would go in my bag. And they fit so nicely together in this little pouch. Lovely scents for this time of the year, I think. For my body, well, let's back up. Let's do this important one before I forget it, because I've been using my Project E LED mask a lot lately. Here it is. And to tell you the truth, here's the bag. They sent me the mask in the bag, I believe, last year. To tell you the truth, I'm not going anywhere without it because it has helped my hormonal acne so much. And there is a cream, we'll get to it eventually, or serum rather, that you put on when you use that. So all of that's going with me for sure. Now let's get into the face care. I am going to be using or carrying with me a host of Origin products. I have the Mega Mushroom, I have the Check and Balances. Let's put glasses on and maybe I can tell you exactly what these things do. The Checks and Balances is your face wash. The Mega Mushrooms is your treatment lotion. It soothes the face, especially if your acne is painful. And the Origins Ginseng Gel Cream for the face. I am packing the serum from Origins. And I have the Origins Clear Improvement Charcoal Mask, and I packed a mask applicator spatula there. That's all that's in this section. What I failed to tell you that this bag has 6 pockets, and that's what I'm reaching into each of these 6 pockets to pull out the products that I would take with me. These pockets have elastic, so they expand and they're easy to get into. Your hand fits right in them, and I have a pretty large hand, a medium size anyway, and my hand fits easily in there. I would also take a face scrubber and one that's a little more gentle, but a little lighter scrubber on the other side. I would take, this is the serum for the Project E mask, the LED mask. I would take this along with me as well. My night treatment after I do my mask would be this form of retinol. This is A313. I would put that on with my Beauty of Joseon's Revive Serum. This is in ginseng and snail mucin. That goes so well with the retinol. Doesn't irritate my skin. And I got 2 new samples from Beauty of Joseon. I got a Day Dew sunscreen SPF of 50, and I got an eye cream that is Revive Eye Serum with ginseng and retinol. So I would use this at night. So those are almost 3 pockets that are empty. For my nails, I would take along my glass nail file and 2 of the colors, nail colors that is, that I'm using currently. This one is in Beach You To It, and this one that I have on my nails now is OPI, and it is called Worth a Pretty Penny. And this one, by the way, is Sally Hansen's. And I would take the Sally Hansen's Instant Dry Top Coat. That pocket is empty. Moving right along to Q-tips, definitely have to have those. Native deodorant, it's gentle. Furthermore, with the nails, I would have nail brush to keep those clean. Some packages of the nail polish remover by Onyx. They have acetone in them. Nail oil from Dior, keep the cuticles in check. And a hair oil by Quay, I think, or Quo. I don't know how to pronounce that. That's another pocket empty. For oral hygiene, of course, I have toothpaste and toothbrush. I have floss picks, raspberry colored. I have mouthwash. And for my eyes, because they get dry, I have my Refresh eye drops. One more pocket to empty here. I have been experiencing shoulder pain, so I would definitely not leave home without my Lidocaine Plus. This is Solon Pass. Just rub it on. It's easy to do. And for body wash, I would use the Osea. This is the algae body oil and body wash right here that I have in a plastic bag so that they don't leak no matter what. Now, those are all of my 6 pockets emptied. I have 2 more items in here that I'll share with you. This is the Osea. This is a algae body butter, so I would lotion up with that. And then because I'm expecting that I'll have late nights, I would pack along the Mellow Eye Patches. These are hemp infused and they're by Pure. You just put them under your eyes to just refreshen on the under eye area. So this is what the bag looks like, empty. You see the 6 pockets going around, and you have that generous belly of the bag where you can store large products like this. Guys, I'm telling you, this bag has really helped to keep me organized. It's a pleasure to take it with me when I travel, and it's so lightweight. I can store it easily when it's empty, but my bag is never empty because I keep it on the ready. I just change it out for the season. I wish I was going somewhere just so I could carry this, but I'm not. I will be home. But yeah, this is worth picking up if you like something like this. I'm not selling it to you. I'm just telling you what I use, what I like, and I hope that you see some value in that. MZ Wallace never disappoints me with their products, with how well they perform, how lightweight they are, and perfect for metro, every day, any day, and anybody, because they carry a men's selection of products as well, so they don't miss a beat. Guys, thank you for tuning into this video. I love my MZ Wallace. Actually, it's a cosmetic bag, but I'm using it as a toiletry bag. I love it. And I appreciate you being here. I love you for being here. I couldn't do this without you. You are my community. You are my bread and butter, as if I was getting paid. But anyway, you know what I mean. I love you for being here. You make this all possible. So long. I'll see you next time. Happy travels. Safe travels.